Today I want to show you the method that I use in order to keep shorter cordage rolled up and organized. Now I've shown this method in a previous video on some longer cordage in 100-foot rolls, but this one's going to tie just a little bit differently in these 25-foot rolls. So what we want to do is we want to start by making your coils, and the coil length is completely arbitrary. It's completely up to you. Just at the end, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we drape the end of the line back over the top of the coil so that we form a very long bite, which will be approximately 3 feet in overall length when all is said and done. Now we can take that bite and we can wrap it completely around our coil pack, making one full revolution, and then we'll take a bite of that bite and send it up through the top of the rope, and then we'll take the final bite and send it through that bite, and now we have tied up and organized our cordage. Now a lot of people use what's called the over-under method. In rope, I generally don't worry about that, and extension cords is probably a good idea. I've never had an issue of having any kind of tangles when doing it with this method, especially using it on rope. It's very easy to untie and comes apart very, very quickly. Hope this helps. Appreciate you watching.